So
I'll show you the road. It's big raining nowadays, so yeah.
Oh, bumpy road.
So we are in Sunset Road. As you see, oh my God, it's storm. Really, really, we are so lucky that we have a car. So lucky. Thanks God.
Yeah.
It's raining. We thanks God. We still thanks God that we still have a car. Thank you. Oh my God. Yeah, as you see, even a small flood already.
Alright, we just parked our car. We are heading into the Seminyak.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful, honey. It's little bit rainy, not much, but little bit. This is the junction. If you're gonna go by this way behind us, straight forward and forward, you will go into Legion Street, obviously, right?
Yeah, but if we just go straight, we will go to Jalan Kayu Aya. We go to Jalan Kayu Aya, Seminyak, and then yeah, this is how it is situation. Like many shops, Seminyak is famous for shopping spot. Oh, sambal shrimp. Yeah, and also they have a many nice restaurant. This is the intersection. And then today it's very raining.
Actually,
And then this is the corner. If you go straight will be Jalan Kayu Aya. And then here is Corner House.
Corner House. And this is already over there, heart of Seminyak.
Part of Seminyak.
Heart of Seminyak. So where we gonna have a dinner? Here, honey?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, we will try the Corner House Seminyak. We will see if they have any nice promos. So we have just arrived and check this out. This place, Winnie already dancing. There is the band playing around. So many people chilling, eating. Very nice. So outside is raining, but the traffic in Seminyak is quite big actually, as you can see. So many people around inside, very nice, very cool. We have Radler, Sweeney already after walk, more relaxed, live band. So many people around chilling, enjoying themselves. Upstairs bathrooms, and I think it's also sitting area. There is the bar. Very nice place. What do you think, honey? Nice? We're waiting for the food. It's very big, by the way, but they have a very nice promo. So I show you a little bit. Yo, what's up? That's the bar. We will see what is there. Very nice place, by the way. Sitting area upstairs. Upstairs is like a bar. Very nice chilling place.
I don't know that I could finish it all. Oh my God.
Are you ready for that?
So
This is the bigger than was on the picture, you know. Definitely much bigger. Alright, so this is the, well, I don't know, a lot of meat.
bit 200. Alright, so this is our food. Oh my God, this is super big.
I just start my steak and I'm already full. I just start my steak already full, but I will finish.
We will finish that. So cheap, only 200k. Alright, so we already had dinner. Now we will go to have a coffee.
Still have a little bit space for the coffee, but it was the big portion actually.
Oh my
guys.
god. And then we bungkus the rest of the food. We put take away the rest of the food. Well, for your information, we just paid around 300k including with the drinks, with the huge portion of food. It's very huge. So they have a promo like 200k with the all barbecue meat and everything. So yeah. Alright, so we are in area Petitenget. So we already passed Alila. Now we are looking for coffee.
For any coffee.
Yeah.
Here is some restaurant.
This one is a Bali Mystic. It's just like apartments.
Oh.
Suits. I've got a friend who used to stay there. Yeah, this is how it is. Seminyak at night.
Summer here is this is Montego Resort. Summer here is
Yeah.
W Seminyak entrance.
Yeah.
It's here normally supposed to be many bars and clubs open and also restaurants. Unfortunately today, still some things are open but not as
Yeah,
much.
and this one Tony's Villas. I think somebody said that he used to stay in Tony's Villa. Yeah, and this one is W Seminyak. And the Starfish Blue bar or something. Yeah. So here.
That's how it looks the situation in Petitenget today.
Yeah.
It's actually before 8 o'clock, it's 7:30 or something.
Yeah, it's just 7:30.
By the regulations, everything have to be closed at 9, so it's actually still supposed to be normally open and operating, right? But somehow, yeah.
Yeah, it's just, the rain already stopped. Yeah.
The situation looks how it looks. We're going to find some coffee. By the way, guys, for everyone who are familiar with the area and missing the vibe of Petitenget, this is for you, right?
Yeah. Oh, what is it in the front? Is it a nightclub?
No, I think
Restaurant?
I think was the police escort or something. Somebody important arrived here. I'm pretty sure we will see now. But it's some kind of restaurant or something. Yeah, you see the police and the Alphard car.
Yeah.
Yeah, was
Yeah.
something here. Anyway.
Maybe someone important is having a dinner. Okay. All right.
On the left will be the Kent community, the very famous cafe, restaurant, but more likely for breakfasts.
Yeah.
Typically Instagrammable place, if you're familiar.
Yeah.
Very pinky, pinky building.
Yeah, it used to be, when it's normal time. This one is Kin Community Pinky Restaurant. Used to be, when it's normal time. It's just like Instagrammable restaurant. Yeah, that's the Butcher Clubs, the Forge. Yeah, we used to eat the Forge in the Forge in this restaurant long time ago.
Not so bad place. Also very crowded usually. Here is the Pepito. Even some cars, the customers. It's just not so bad. Here is something new actually, sushi, Jin, sushi, Capitol.
Yeah, this is the Capital Hotel, brand new hotel
So-
in Seminyak.
So that's how the area of Petitenget. Here on the left is Jamie.
Jamie Jewelry and Restaurant.
Also very nice place.
Yeah.
So what should we say? What should we say, right?
Yeah.
Then I have coffee and pizza.
valet parking.
Yeah.
Valet parking.
Yeah. But we drive Jimny. I'm not sure if the fourth-year boy know how to drive Jimny.
Yeah, let's see. Maybe if Monso Spoon still
Monsieur
open.
Spoon will be the best. Yeah. Okay, so this is actually the junction. If you go on right, is the Sunset Road. If you go left, is the Django.
Yeah.
Me 88. This is actually old company but new shop. I think. Oh, bikes.
Careful.
This is very difficult. Junction.
Oh my God.
By the way.
Driving in Bali is crazy.
Here
Yeah.
on the left, very interesting. Where is this bikes coming from? This is the Umalas area, one of the entrance to Umalas. I make
Yeah, the
a vlog.
shortcut.
Yeah,
Shortcut
the
to
shortcut.
Malas.
Livingstone is always alive, always actually kind of busy. And we're gonna go here to Monsieur Spoon. Right, yes, honey?
Yeah,
I
let's
think
see
it's
if it's
still open because the lights over here. I'm not sure, but let's hope. I think yes.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the post office. They closed, but the Monsieur Spoon is, I think, is open.
I don't think
it's
so.
not.
No.
I think it's closed.
I will just ask. Tutup ya. Tutup. Okay.
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 So that's how it looks the situation. If you're looking for cafe, it's not as easy as it looks like.
Oh, this one is the Nostimo restaurant that was burned last time. Now we are heading to the big main road.
Yeah, we are to the main junction. I know the Starbucks is for sure open next door, but we cannot go
Yeah.
to Starbucks. I mean, it's like Starbucks
Yeah.
is the only for emergency use. Nothing bad to say to Starbucks, but Bali have a lovely coffee anyway. Alright, so we actually come back home. Unfortunately, we didn't want to come back. Many cafes are closed, as you saw, after going to Monsieur Spoon, you know. Winnie is also tired.
Yeah.
Was rain start again. Anyway, we are so full after eating the big portion of the food. The food was so great, but we ordered this package because was the promotion, and we was thinking as the package is like normal package, you know how is it in the restaurants, you know, and then arrived like this and was like so big. So we took the half of the food of the takeaway, so we will have for tomorrow. Anyway, that's how it looks, the situation in Seminyak. That's how it is. You know where to eat anyway if you're interested. This is not any kind of paid endorsement anyway, like always. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.